to Hanoi.
Hello, Hanoi. Oh my god. What? What? This is the best day ever. Hey. There's even books, a shelf, turntable, two really nice beds, really nice, and you know what? There's even a bath. And there are books. What? This is amazing. Guys, this is literally just like a home.
Looks awesome.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hi guys, so we just woke up, we're just about to hit the street, and basically the plan is there is no plan. Let's go! Honking. Banana puzzle. So I'm super hyperactive, but right now we're doing our closing video. You might not tell it because of my like energy, but it's nighttime and I had some coffee. Don't know why. We went shopping and I bought a cool little ox who I named Oxy, and also I bought my sister a monkey, which everybody was not happy about because apparently we don't have room. I mean, it's like the size of your like this phone. And yet we have room for that. Okay, slightly bigger than those, but about like this big. Okay, enough about that. Time to go to bed so I can take my sister into insanity. Let's go. I said let's go. Stay adventurous.